My name's Ryan Hobbs. I'm an electrician by trade. I've been doing it for about 20 years. I actually did a job for Doug Reitmeyer, so he invited me to take his federal contracting training, which I did. I heard about this project. Doug called me and said, hey, you want to go up to Oklahoma Air Force Base? Check it out. I was like, yeah, let's go check it out.
Okay, what's the game plan?
Unscrew.
Yeah, I looked at radar and it looked like it's coming from Texas, and it's going to let up just a little bit and it's going to set in probably the most part of the day.
Nathan Murphy with Allied Steel.
Tell me about your crane.
225-ton rope, had 106,000 pounds of counterweight. That weighed 10,000 pounds at 115 foot.
115 foot. How high was the stick?
146. Got it done.
So what do you think of this federal contracting compared to what you were doing before?
It's fun, it's exciting,
It's
a lot of
different.
different things. Yeah, you get to see stuff like that. The 3M 24-hour fall protection training, which is it's EM 385, which is the Army Corps of Engineers qualified fall protection training. I took that down in Houston a couple months ago because it's so dangerous. There's really, you see how high we are, and how close we are to the railings and the roof and the edge of the building. And so yeah, we really need to take that training.
That bearing just sounds horrible. You can feel it in the brace. I heard about this job via my shop. Doug contacted my shop and asked for somebody that's mechanically inclined and willing to think outside the box. And my shop decided that I was the man for the job. We're off of it, just this thing's rusted. Now we need to get something in here to open this up. It's split all, this is split all the way up. It's gonna slide. It's gonna slide just a little bit. It's not gonna go very far. Go down and ready? Yep. I was thinking if he's thinking he's gonna get him, we can get him down, get it down, set it up where it can't roll or be in anybody's way. Just leave it up there. Train those down, set them off.
We're gonna resend it out, so we don't know if we're gonna get it or not, but we gotta make sure. I'm just gonna take it down. This because I have to carry this down. 140, almost 145. Well, hold on. I want to look really strong. So there you go. That's 240.
This is maybe almost. This is with both bearings. Almost 180 pounds.
Yeah. Combo.
They protect us, and you know, whatever I can do to help is great. And plus, you get to watch, you know, Blue Angels do, you know, fly for 3 hours on Thursday. You know, it's pretty awesome.
Tinker's been in my family for as long as I've known. My grandparents have worked here, have served here. My parents have worked here. I've worked construction on Tinker for most of my career. So when it comes to Tinker, I'm pretty excited about working anything. Belt on, pulleys aligned. The new bearings now have new greasers, both of them. We made sure that the shaft was plumb up and down and in and out, north, south, east, west. I'm gonna have somebody come in and turn the fan on and make sure everything runs, and I think we're good.